Today I'm going to show you how to unlock any smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's a Samsung or a Motorola or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone so that you're able to use it with any other GSM carrier. I'm going to do it together with you step by step. I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method and it works perfectly. You only need your computer, your smartphone, and you need a SIM card from a different carrier. And that's all you need, and without further ado, let's begin. To start, we're gonna get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. We're gonna use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. Processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section down below and I'll try to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.